glad that all of my friends are here. Story time is one of my favorite things to do. I love hearing all of the new stories. I wonder what story we're going to read today. Let's find out. Hi, friends. Thanks for joining us for story time today. Today we are reading the book, The Little Red Hen. This story is retold by Leslie Sims and illustrated by Raffaella Ligi. This is the Little Red Hen. She lives on a farm with a noisy duck, a lazy rat, and a sleepy cat. One day, she finds some grains of wheat. Who will help me plant this wheat? Not I, says the duck. Not I, says the rat. Not I, says the cat. Then I shall plant it myself, says the little red hen. And she does. She visits it every day. Sometimes she waters it. At last, little green shoots pop up. They grow taller and taller and turn golden in the sunshine. Who will help me cut the wheat? Asked the little red hen. Not I, says the duck. Not I, says the rat. Not I, says the cat. Then I shall cut it myself, says the little red hen. She cuts the wheat, ready to take to the mill. Who will help me grind the wheat into flour? She asks. Not I, says the duck. Not I, says the rat. Not I, says the cat. Then I shall grind it into flour myself, says the little red hen. And she does. Who will help me bake the flour into bread? She asks. Not I, says the duck. Not I, says the rat. Not I, says the cat. Then I shall bake it into bread myself, says the little red hen. And she does. Who will help me eat the bread? She asks. I will. And I will. I will too. Oh, no, you won't, says the little red hen. I shall eat it all by myself. And she does. Thanks for joining us for story time, friends. That was so much fun. See you next time.